Hey everyone, this is Coach K. I am going to teach out of The Rich Get Richer and the Poor Get Prison by Jeffrey Raymond and Paul Layton. This is going to be a reading and then a coaching session. We start on page 30 in chapter 1, Crime Control in America. Notice that while there is some correlation between the rise and fall of crime rates and percentage of young people in the population, there are also important divergences. The percentage of young people in the population in 2000 was about what it was in 1960, yet the crime rate in 2000 was almost 4 times higher than that of 1960. Obviously, this growth in crime cannot be attributed to the youth. The same can be said of the years of 1970 and 75, when young people's percentages in the population grew slightly and crime rates soared. Our compare 1980 and 1990, when the youth percentage dropped more than 4 points and the violent crime rate grew significantly. In that same period, the number of 15 to 24-year-olds decreased absolutely by 5,660,000, while the number of 15 through 24 years old decreased absolutely by 5,000. 5,660,000, while the absolute number of index crimes rose by over 1 million. Similarly, discrepancies show up when the National Crime Victimization Survey is used. So, in this paragraph, they do recognize the correlation, but they don't talk about the injustices, the environmental injustice that's done in the communities. They do not speak about how they are not given clean water, clean air, and clean food. They're not spoken about the resources of the scarcity. They do not talk about the illiteracy, the inability to know the system, the government rules and regulations, that do not have the opportunities to know the business science of things. They do not understand the socialization, the sexualization, the about the world human trafficking. They don't understand about what it means to have a system that rich gets richer and the poor gets prison. They do not understand about the school to prison pipeline. They do not even understand the basic living of quality of life, quality of assurance. So we have a lot to do when we coach, mentor, and raise the next generation in a athleticism that makes sense. Make this make sense. Crime is injustice to populations that are vulnerable from the human development.